Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your Dogecoin around for better opportunities. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to send Dogecoin from Kucoin to Bitrue. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so let's double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First off, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Bitrue. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallets, section and find your Dogecoin balance. It's usually listed under Doge. Next, open your Bitrue account in another tab. Go to your Dogecoin wallet there and click on Deposit, or Receive. This will generate a unique Dogecoin address. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so don't miss a character. Now, back on Kucoin, navigate to the Withdrawal section for Dogecoin. Paste the Bitrue address into the To Address field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, and don't forget to check the network. It should be Dogecoin's native network to avoid any issues. Before you hit Confirm, review the transaction details, including fees. In 2025, network fees might fluctuate, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once you're sure, click Withdraw and confirm with any required 2FA or security measures. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Bitrue and refresh your wallet to see when your Dogecoin arrives. If it doesn't show up, double-check the transaction on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip: always use the exact network specified. Dogecoin is on its own chain, so no mixing with Ethereum or others. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you next time.